Hello. Today, I really am honored to present three extremely special, very spiritual, and talented women who really are here to make a difference in the world today. I give my heartfelt welcome and namaste to Rajya Lakshmi ji, namaste, to Sangeeta ji, namaste, and Vandana Sharma, namaste, Vandana ji. These stars actually need no introduction to most of you, but I would like to briefly mention their exemplary features or accomplishments. Raja Lakshmi ji is an disciple of Barfani Dadaji. She is the founder of several organizations that promotes Sanatana Dharma and spiritual living. Raja Lakshmi ji is an activist who espouses causes that are in line with her philosophies and with the philosophy of the eternal Sanatana Dharma that evolved in India. We also have with us Sangeeta Saxena, who is a volunteer with the All World Gayatri Parivar. She is a motivational speaker and a life coach, and personally for me has been instrumental in bringing the message of Param Puja Gurudev Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya. Our other very talented speaker on this panel is Vandana Sharma. She is by profession an interior designer, a fine artist, and a Kathak dancer. But her passion lies in making an impact for those that need it the most. She and her husband espouse several philanthropic causes, whether it is Ekal Vidyalaya, the AIF Foundation, or others, where they give not just their money, but significant time as well to make a difference. She is also a great Krishna Bhakta who would like to make the world a better place. It really is special to have you all here today as you are here promoting a very special event. This event was caused by a great tragedy that happened in India that touched the hearts of millions. Rajya Lakshmi ji, I will turn it over to you to tell us about this event and when and where it is happening.
Okay, Jai Siya Ram, Har Har Mahadev. And do you want me to speak in English?
Yes, that would be great.
Okay. Okay. So, my pranam to all the viewers. And we are connecting from one soul to another soul. And so, this ankur or the seed that started between a discussion between me and Vandanaji and Ashok Badiji after we finished that Lakshmarayan of Hanuman Chalisa worldwide. And we just said we wanted to do something. We were very troubled about what has happened in India with Sushant Singh Rajput and with numerous boys and girls who come from small towns and go into Bollywood and all that. So we decided we will do something, and we did not want to wait. We did not want to take a month or 2 months time to proper plan it and all that. So we decided on 22nd August at 11 o'clock, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we will recite 108 Gayatri Mantra, and we will invite people from all over the world. So the reason behind it, we all need some kind of connect. We were all disturbed, every one of us. Anyone I talk to, this has touched a nerve, a chord of all mother, sister, brother, father, somewhere. We all are identifying with Sushant Singh Rajput. He could have been my brother, my son, my, my child. So that was the reason behind it. So on 22nd August, 11 o'clock, Eastern Standard Time, 8:30 p.m. Indian time, my humble request to everyone who's listening to me, please come forward and chant Gayatri Mantra with us.
Rajalakshmi ji, I heard that the methodology that you have developed here actually started with the Lakshparayan that you were talking about, the Hanuman
Yes,
of the
yes.
Hanuman Chalisa. Could you
Yeah.
tell us a little bit about that so that people can be informed and understand what might actually happen? It's not just 108 Gayatri Jap because it's going to be really, magnified manifold. So could you
Yes.
tell us about the Hanuman Parayan, and
Mhm.
then we understand what the magnification of the 108 Gayatri Jap will be.
Okay. So I was not in the real development and logistics and technical and any of that.
Yeah.
I just was invited to join, so I joined. But Ashok Badiji and Hari and Satya Nimana and numerous people, they worked 2 months tirelessly on this project of connecting people from all over the world, 50 countries actually, and they recited together. I was one of, somehow my face was flashed everywhere. So we all recited 11 Hanuman Chalisa 11 times, and it resonated in the world together. एक स्वर में, एक लय में, एक भाव से, एक संवेदना से, एक मनोबल से, to remove the corona in the world. The world we all have stopped. Our lives have, like halted, literally halted. We are in our four walls. What we can do, at the most we can do, is go out, front yard, backyard, go for a little bit here and there. But the life is not like vibrant and movable as it was prior to corona. So we're hoping that after this japa, we will have some kind of vaccine or something to remove corona, that has just is sitting in our life and making us um, immovable. So many people have, fortunately, I have not been impacted so much, and I'm blessed in that way. Yes, working at home, but we all have created. I have said to people, you create space.
Right.
You need emotional space. You need to distance.
Right.
Yes, yeah, because
Right.
we are together.
Right.
So now they had 40 streams and 100 um, Zoom
Right.
licenses, and those licenses, they were given out to people. So
So,
that
but at
was
the
the,
end of the
like in a
day,
nutshell,
you had thousands chanting the Hanuman Chalisa together. And I,
125,000.
oh my
Yeah,
goodness. And I can only imagine the power of that. And
yeah.
Vandana ji, so I think you were motivated listening to that, that we could actually transform that and make this very special prayer that you are initiating on August 22nd. What moved you about this particular story? And why do you feel it's important that everybody know about the story and participate in the prayer?
Ji, namaskar. Thank you everyone for listening to me. First of all, I bow down to three very special women. One who's actually interviewing, and Rajalakshmi ji, who is initiating me into this. I was very broken inside, and I think she read into that energy of mine. We connected for like 2 weeks straight, and all of a sudden, like, she heard my heartbeat, like, oh, should we do this, because she was upset, I was upset.
And
And
Vandanaji, I'd like to get into that. Why, Sushant was not somebody you knew personally. Why did it touch you so deeply?
it touched me very deeply because Sushant now is an icon of a common man who wants to do big things in their lives, staying in India. People usually study hard like us, and then we move out. We dream of fulfilling our dreams after moving to another country. We don't feel like we can make it big in India until we, bully other people. So what I am trying to say that if Sushant could do his hard work and live a dedicated life and reach where he was reaching, and somebody just came in and interrupted his life and killed him in his own bed in a place like Mumbai. So what I be telling the rest of the people, middle class men and women. So I am involved in so many philanthropic organizations which feed so much of my money, my hard-earned money, to give a good life for middle class people and lower class people. So what am I
Right.
hearing? That
So,
once they become older and they want to, achieve their dreams in India, they can't.
right.
And that's bothered me a lot.
Right. We have to be very clear that we don't know what happened. I mean, the CBI is inquiring, so we will find out the truth of the matter pretty soon, legally. But there are allegations on various sides, and we really don't know what happened. But whatever happened, losing his life at this young age, such a talented person, whether that be because of mental issues or it was actually a murder, we don't know that. But whatever it was, but I see that you were much moved that his life came to a tragic end here. And that's what I think has moved people all around the world, that a successful, talented young man who was just trying to live in this world with his abilities was not able to do that. And that I hear you, Vandana ji, and I think that's a very interesting thing that you said. And then, so I think you thought that prayer was the right thing to do. Why did you decide to do that instead of doing anything else? The biggest activism that you have done is let's come together and pray.
So what happened, Raja Lakshmi ji and I, we were talking about this, and somehow we reached to Sushant's sister Shweta, and when we had a three-way conference call, she just said to Raja Lakshmi ji and I that I just need prayers. I don't want anything.
Yeah. That is so amazing.
We sorry to interrupt. Because at that time, CBI and the Supreme Court, they were going back and forth, and Mumbai police was not doing anything. And when we asked her, what would you like us to do? Like put pressure on the justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. And she said, no, if you can do something, there's so much negativity about this family, about my beautiful brother. He was a Renaissance man, multifaceted, multi-talented person, multi-talented kid, I would say. So she said that do a prayer. That was the seed.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, I think that is what moved me much about this, because to Sangeeta ji, I know that you have always told us, Param Pujya Gurudev has always told us that prayer is the answer. So could you tell us why Gayatri Japa, and what do you think would happen when so many people, 125,000 people, come together and chant the Gayatri Mantra?
For the opportunity, so एक बार मैं गायत्री मंत्र बोलना चाहूंगी. ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. तो देखिए, यदि हम गायत्री मंत्र का अर्थ देखना चाहें, उसमें ही मेरा आंसर छुपा हुआ है. उस प्राण स्वरूप, दुख नाशक, सुख स्वरूप, श्रेष्ठ, तेजस्वी, पाप नाशक, देव स्वरूप परमात्मा को हम अंतःकरण में धारण करें, और वह परमात्मा हमारी बुद्धि को सन्मार्ग में प्रेरित करें. तो ये जो हमारी शब्द है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि गायत्री मंत्र कोई व्यक्ति अकेले के लिए कर ही नहीं सकता. इज देयर अ प्रॉब्लम? इज अ प्रॉब्लम, पर इज अ गुड प्रॉब्लम. क्यों? क्योंकि ये परमार्थ का मंत्र है. ये सबके लिए सद्बुद्धि इसमें कही गई है. और परम पूज्य गुरुदेव आचार्य श्री राम शर्मा के अनुसार ये समय की आवश्यकता है, क्योंकि आज व्यक्ति को बुद्धि तो बहुत हो गई है, पर सद्बुद्धि नहीं है. इसीलिए पूरी प्रॉब्लम है संसार में जो भी है. तो इसीलिए और सबसे पावरफुल मंत्र जो ये है, और इसमें सामूहिकता का भान है. जब हम सबके मन एक होते हैं और एक साथ गायत्री मंत्र जब जपा जाता है, तो वो सूक्ष्म जगत में ब्रह्मास्त्र का काम करता है. और जो भी हम लक्ष्य जीवन में लेके चलते हैं, आज हम सुशांत के लिए कर रहे हैं या जो भी, वो निश्चित रूप से वो उस ब्रह्मास्त्र का लक्ष्य भेद के ही नीचे आता है. इसलिए देखिए, हम लोग ने संकल्प लिया और उसका हमको रिजल्ट देखने मिला, भी तो हुआ भी नहीं है. और आज भी हम जो भी प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं संसार में, वो चाहे वो पर्सनली हो या फिर अपना फैमिली उसमें हो या सोसाइटी में हो, या अगर वर्ल्ड वाइड हम देखें तो वो व्यक्ति के गलत विचारों, गलत सोच व गलत दृष्टिकोण के कारण है, आउटलुक के कारण है। तो यदि हम जो भी देखते हैं कि अगर हम देखें कि फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में कुछ होने वाला है तो वो सटल वर्ल्ड में, सूक्ष्म जगत में ऑलरेडी हो चुका रहता है। तो यदि हम चाहते हैं कि फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में कोई चीज से हम बचें जो गलत चीज है, तो यदि सटल वर्ल्ड में उसको उपचार कर दिया जाए तो वो निश्चित रूप से फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में नहीं होगा। तो आज अगर हम देखें कि कोरोना का ही हम समय देख लें कि जो चीज ये हो रही है, कोरोना तो चला भी जाएगा लेकिन व्यक्ति के दूषित विचार जो हैं, जो गलत सोच है, वो हमेशा रहने वाली है। तो इसलिए परम पूज्य गुरुदेव ने कहा कि गायत्री मंत्र जो है वो गलत विचारों का या हार्मफुल थॉट का वैक्सीनेशन है, जो आपको हमेशा काम में आने वाला है। कोरोना चला जाएगा पर ये विचार कभी व्यक्ति के मन में जाने नहीं है, इसीलिए गायत्री मंत्र की बहुत ज्यादा आवश्यकता है। और गायत्री मंत्र अगर हम देखें तो जो गायत्री मंत्र है वो अगर मैं बोलूं कि ये अभी क्या चल रहा है ये या कुछ है, सुशांत की भी प्रॉब्लम है, जीवन में छोटी मोटी प्रॉब्लम आती रहेगी, तो व्यक्ति के साथ रोज के जीवन में गायत्री मंत्र को जोड़ना चाहिए, क्योंकि व्यक्ति का जीवन कभी भी एक साथ चलने वाला नहीं है। तो इसीलिए गायत्री मंत्र जो है, और इसीलिए प्रार्थना इतनी ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण की गई है। फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में हम 1 माइल जा सकते हैं, लेकिन प्रार्थना के द्वारा सूक्ष्म जगत में हम जो है 100 माइल्स की यात्रा कर सकते हैं। इसीलिए प्रार्थना को इतना ज्यादा पावरफुल माना गया है। इसलिए गायत्री मंत्र हमारे दैनिक जीवन में जरूर हमारे आना चाहिए। इसीलिए परम पूज्य गुरुदेव जो है आचार्य श्रीराम शर्मा, उन्होंने गायत्री मंत्र को जो है जन जन तक पहुंचाया कि आज के समय की सबसे बड़ी आवश्यकता जो है गायत्री मंत्र है। और आगे मैं इसके बारे में और बात बताऊंगा। धन्यवाद।
Beautiful. बहुत धन्यवाद आपकी for explaining this very beautiful but powerful mantra that I think many of us chant, but we don't know the power of that chanting. And Gayatrayati iti Gayatri, that is so true that when you sing it, definitely you can get your salvation. But how that happens, you certainly, Param Puja Gurudev has definitely shown us the way to do that. And Sangeeta ji, what I'm hearing from you is that it is that power of coming together that we can feel for sure that not only will Sushant's Atma attain moksha and go on its journey as it needs to, but also we, at the end of the day, this is for our benefit. It is not for the benefit of those that have departed, but for our own benefits, for our own mind changing. Would you say that, Sangeeta ji?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। और मेन चीज है कि देखिए, गायत्री मंत्र अगर हम केवल पूरा मंत्र ना भी आता हो किसी को या पूरा अर्थ ना पता हो, तो केवल परम पूज्य गुरुदेव ने उसको बहुत सिंपल ट्रांसलेशन कर दिया है, सबके लिए सद्बुद्धि और सबके लिए उज्जवल भविष्य। अगर हम 24 घंटे भी इस भाव में रहते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिक गायत्री मंत्र हमारे अंदर चल रहा है और वो पॉजिटिविटी हमारे अंदर जो है आ सकती है। लेकिन यदि संस्कृत के मंत्र है जिसमें विचारों का गुंथन होता है, बीज मंत्र रहते हैं, ध्वनि रहती है, तो और ज्यादा साइंटिफिकली पावरफुल हो जाता है। और खासकर जो अगर हम देखें, यदि मैं बताना चाहूँ और आप अभी पूछना चाहें कि इसका क्या इफेक्ट होगा जो अभी सब है, खासकर इस समय कोरोना के समय में अगर हम बोले या फिर आप अभी आगे और जब पूछेंगे तो फिर मैं बताती हूँ इसके बारे में।
राइट, नहीं आपका क्या, मैं यही आप तीनों से यही पूछना चाहती हूँ कि ये जो प्रेयर हो जाए, हम संगीता जी आपसे शुरू करें कि हमारा नाउ यू ऑल टुक दैट wow, and I'm sure you'll be successful in getting 125,000 people to chant 108 Gayatri mantra on that day. What do you think, Sangeeta ji, will be the impact of that chanting?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल होगा। देखिए, ये 108 गायत्री मंत्र नहीं है, आप लगाइए 1.25 लाख into 108, तो कितने गुना ज्यादा होता है। तो इसीलिए तो इसका असर होना ही होना है, और इसकी संकल्प शक्ति ने तो पहले ही काम करना चालू कर दिया है। तो इसलिए जरूर इसका बहुत ज्यादा पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट होगा, और ना केवल इस एक अकेले इस केस के लिए, बल्कि बहुत चीजों में इसका कंट्रीब्यूशन होगा बहुत ज्यादा। क्योंकि जिस तरह से बोलते हैं ना कि अगर हीटर के पास बैठे तो गर्माहट तो लगनी ही है, तो इसीलिए गायत्री मंत्र जब सूक्ष्म जगत में जाएगा तो निश्चित रूप से बहुत पॉजिटिव इसका प्रभाव देखना हमको मिलेगा। और जिस तरह से बोलते समुद्र मंथन जो है, समुद्र मंथन की प्रक्रिया है ये, कि जिस तरह से बिफोर क्रिएशन देयर इज अ डिस्ट्रक्शन, तो सृजन से पहले ध्वंस की एक तरह से प्रक्रिया चल रही है। और जिस तरह से एक माँ जो रहती है, जब बच्चा होने वाला रहता है तो 9 महीने बहुत कष्ट होते हैं, लेकिन जब बच्चा होता है तो उसका मुख कितनी खुशी उसको मिलती है। तो इसी तरह वैसी ही प्रक्रिया है कि अभी चल रहा है और बहुत कुछ लग रहा है गड़बड़ ये, पर भविष्य बहुत उज्जवल है और बहुत कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है।
Beautiful, beautiful. So Rajalakshmi ji, you have been involved in so many different causes, and I think you always make sure that the spiritual element, the Sanatana Dharma element, is always key to whatever you do. Why do you think that is so important in today's day and age? That when there is something like the tragedy that has happened, why is it important to go back to Sanatana Dharma for our life?
All right. So first of all, I'd like to make a correction. When we were discussing Ashok Badiji, me, and Vandana ji, three of us. See, I'm a Shiva Bhakta. I'm from Kashi. Even though my guru is head of all Vaishnav Chatur Sampradaya, Parfani Dadaji of Ramanandacharya of Ayodhya lineage. So I say Jai Siya Ram. So when we were discussing and we were saying, what should we do? Which mantra should we select? Then we all decided upon Gayatri Mantra. Because Gayatri Mantra चारों वेदों का सार है. समस्त जगत इसमें निहित है. संगीता जी ने बड़े अच्छे से समझाया, but the discussion was between the three of us, which one, because we are divided into multi-sects and multi-feelings and emotions and channels. But somehow everybody connects with Gayatri Mantra. आप कोई यज्ञ करे, कोई हवन करे, आपको गायत्री मंत्र से पुनश्चरण कोई भी अनुष्ठान करे, आपको करना ही पड़ता है. इसके अलावा गायत्री मंत्र के एक एक अक्षर जो हैं, संस्कृत ऐसा लैंग्वेज है जो कि आपको एनर्जाइज करता है without you knowing it. Sanskrit is the most scientific language in the world. Right. Even now, the Western world has adopted it already. We are deviating from our event, which is on 22nd August. But now, because you asked, why did we select Gayatri Mantra?
And more importantly, what do you think would be the impact? What is you expecting as the outcome of this prayer?
Okay, like I said, no, I'm not expecting anything. Nothing. It's Tripur Sundari Shri Raja Rajeshwari Jagadambike. She's the one. Beautiful. She's the one who is guiding us. It's her Leela. Beautiful. Mahadev does Tandav and Ma does Laya Nritya. Beautiful. All the time. Hamare Shwas Prashwas mein, in the inhale and exhale resides Mahadev. Right there in the Bindu, right there, there is a gap. You die between life. Your life and death happens with every breath. Right. You die, you inhale, there is a gap, and exhale. Between that gap is where Shiva resides with his Shakti. Right. Every single day. That is I know if you talk to me about this, I can go on and on. That is what Buddha Bhagwan realized. So now, with this mantra, which is going to energize not just me in every part of my body, right? But the environment around me, the nad, the Brahma nad that I'm producing, it's going to energize that. At the same time, our sankalp is for that beautiful boy who was taken away from us. Along with him, the reason why it has hit the nerve of so many people, because it is the murder, I will say murder of aspiring yuva of our universe, not just Bharat, not just because the Bollywood mafia, the mafias around us, and they try to control us. It is not just in India. So we are just trying to tell, we Sanatani who are connected with the universe all the time, Panchabhut and Panchatattva, I say that to everybody. You connect with Panchabhut and Panchabhut connects with you in your physical body. So when we are going to perform this yajna of people around the world, not everybody will join us physically chanting or via internet or whatever electronic method, virtual method they'll connect, but they are streaming. lot of YouTubers, lot of influencers, lot of dignitaries, and you saw in your flyer, you can see how many have come forward. They're gonna be streaming from their social media. So can you imagine what the kind of atmosphere we are going to create? That's the beauty of Sanatan Dharma.
Beautiful. I hear you very, very clearly. I think the message is coming out loud and clear. Sangeeta ji said, it's about the journey, and you are very clearly focused on the journey. And so, Vandana ji, I really am hearing that from everybody here that there are negative energies. And I think, would you agree, or what do you think will happen to those negative energies? It sounds like there will be a dramatic shift just with the vibrations of this chant that we are going to hear. Is that your hope, that all negative energies, be it whatever form, wherever they are, is that your hope?
Ji, there is too much darkness, we have to light a diya. And as soon as we light a diya, the darkness will disperse, it runs away. So what I'm expecting, I read somewhere recently that जब भगवान राम ने ढेर देखा था ऋषि मुनियों का, he picked up his barn and he said, I'm going to fight a war against Danav. So Krishna came, and Bhagwan Krishna came, he had to fight. We all have to fight. Ram, Krishna, Ambe Ma, sabki energy deke, we are their warriors. Gurudev, Sri Ram Sharmacharya always taught us, like whatever Shakti you grahan from Bhagwan, we must use that energy to light a diya of prayer and, remove the darkness, dispel the darkness.
Beautiful. I think I've rarely encountered, such panelists who are using Gayatri Mantra as their, I shouldn't say weapon, but as, well, maybe Brahmastra of
Yes,
choice.
it is a weapon.
It is a weapon for bringing about positive change. And I am convinced that all of you coming together, Matru Shakti has come together and bringing this great, powerful tool to just eliminate negativity. That is it. It looks like the simple goal is only, anytime you chant Gayatri Mantra, is to remove negativity, to remove darkness, and bring about, as Gurudev would, Param Pujya Gurudev would say, to bring about a thought revolution, so that, as Sangeeta ji said, once things are clear in your mind, positivity has entered your mind, and positivity has diffused into the minds of those 125,000 people, and through them to other millions and thousands, surely the world will be a better place. I am truly honored that all of you gave your time to me, and you are working so hard to bring this positive energy everywhere. I can see that you are the people lighting that lamp. The powerful, actually, the rays of the sun is going to brighten everywhere. So thank you so much for who you are. Jai Shri Ram. Namaskar.
Jai Shri Ram, Jai Siya Ram.
Jai Siya Ram. Har Har Mahadev.
Mahadev. Mahadev.
Har Har Mahadev.
तीनों
ये सबके लिए जल भविष्य.
Mangalam Shubham.
Mangalam
Mangalam
Shubham.
Shubham. All our Devi Devatas have weapons.
The weapons of positivity. God bless. On that note, we shall meet again and look forward to the positive energy that shall emerge.
Thank you.
Namaskar.
धन्यवाद बहुत बहुत